Hi everyone, James here. For those of you that don't have Facebook or not following the Bomber Command buddy build that Martin Lamont is hosting, this is my entry. I'm doing James Allen Ward's Wellington, and this is the progress so far. James Allen Ward was a 22-year-old sergeant pilot with number 75 New Zealand Squadron when he carried out the actions of which he was awarded the Victoria Cross. It was a co-pilot on a Vickers Wellington bomber flying out of RAF Faltwell in Norfolk, that's the United Kingdom. On the 7th of July 1941, after an attack on Munster, Germany, the Wellington AAR, in which Sergeant Ward was second pilot, was attacked by a German Bf-110 night fighter. The attack opened a fuel tank in the starboard wing and caused a fire at the rear of the starboard engine. So the skipper of the aircraft told Ward to try and put out the fire. So Sergeant Ward crawled out through the narrow astrodome used for the navigation on the end of a rope initially reported of being taken from the aircraft's emergency dinghy, but actually from an engine cover. He kicked or tore holes in the aircraft's fabric with a fire axe to give himself hand and footholds. By this means he reached the engine and attempted to smother the flames with a canvas cover. Although the fuel continued to leak, with the fire out, the plane was now safe. He crawled back over the wing in which he had previously torn holes. Was more dangerous than the outward journey, but he managed with the help of the aircraft's navigator. So instead of the crew having to bail out, the aircraft made an emergency landing at Newmarket in the United Kingdom, and then he was awarded the Victoria Cross for his actions. I thought this story was quite interesting. So this is what I'm doing for the Bomber Command buddy build. I'm going to try and replicate the flames on the wing from the engine. I'm going to try and use some clear silicone. I'm going to paint that, and I've bought some expanding foam for the smoke. For those of you that are interested in my Duxford series that I'm doing, this is the current one I'm doing. It's the Mark 1 Bristol Blenheim, and the only one currently that's flying in the world. This is the progress so far on it, and hopefully maybe today when this video goes up, or tomorrow, I'll be a part one of this. Just primed it on the join seams just to make sure there aren't no imperfections, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And on top as well. And I used some aftermarket resin parts for the interior of the cockpit, and then for the wheel wells. Added some detail in there. So that's the Duxford series current project that I'm doing. This is not all painted up. Still got bits to do. If you're wondering what the reddish pink is, it's actually the dope covering what was applied to the fabric, outer skin of the aircraft, and the inside it turned this pinkish red colour. So I'm replicating that there and highlighting the lattice work of the aircraft. I'm going to try to replicate some wood effect with, I think it's a Revell paint, similar to wood, and then I used a slightly darker oil paint and brushed, yeah, the effect of wood grain on there. So that's my entry to the Facebook Bomber Command Buddy build that Martin Lamont is hosting. Thanks for watching.